Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying damage and securing the workspace. Remove debris, lift trim edges if possible, and mask paint immediately to avoid overspray. Once done, wash with pH-neutral soap and agitate with a soft brush to remove grime. This opens the surface so treatments bond. Make sure to dry thoroughly. Moisture prevents adhesion. Then use isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber to strip oils. This creates a clean, porous surface that allows conditioners or dyes to penetrate evenly. You now decide between restorative conditioner, aerosol trim dye, or brush-on colorant depending on severity. Conditioners replenish polymers, dyes replace color, and colorants fill porosity. Apply thin, even passes, spray or brush, and maintain a wet edge to prevent streaks. Once applied, wait the manufacturer's cure time and warm the surface gently if allowed. Heat improves flow and adhesion. Make sure to remove runs promptly with a clean applicator. Repeat light passes until you achieve uniform color and texture. You finish by sealing the restored trim with a UV protectant or silicone-free sealant to lock in color and block sun damage. This extends results for months. Once sealed, buff lightly for the desired sheen. Matte typically looks factory correct. If you note uneven spots, first reclean that small area and spot apply another thin coat rather than overloading the entire piece. Troubleshooting tip: if color flakes or peels, strip remaining coating with a plastic-safe solvent and restart from the alcohol clean step to ensure adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.